Most people think wealth begins when you become rich. They imagine that life changes only after reaching six figures, owning luxury items, or building a massive investment portfolio. But the truth is that the biggest financial transformation often happens much earlier. It happens when you finally accumulate enough savings that an unexpected expense no longer feels like a disaster. The amount itself may vary from person to person, but the real change is not in your bank account. It's in the way you think. Think about how most people experience money. When savings are low or non existent, every financial decision carries pressure. A surprise car repair, a medical bill, or a broken phone can instantly create stress because there is no cushion to absorb the impact. When every paycheck is already committed to bills and daily expenses, even small setbacks feel overwhelming. In that environment, it's difficult to think about long-term goals because your attention is constantly pulled toward immediate problems. As your savings grow, something remarkable begins to happen. You stop viewing money purely as a tool for survival and start seeing it as a tool for opportunity. Instead of asking how you're going to make it through the month, you begin asking how you can improve your future. This shift changes the way you approach work, investing, education, and personal growth. The pressure that once controlled your decisions starts to fade, and in its place comes a sense of stability and confidence. One of the most powerful benefits of having a financial cushion is the freedom it creates. Wealth is often misunderstood as the ability to buy expensive things, but true financial strength is really about having options. It's the option to leave a job that makes you miserable. It's the option to pursue a better opportunity, learn a new skill, start a business, or take a calculated risk. When you have savings, your decisions are no longer driven by fear alone. You gain the ability to choose what is best for your future rather than simply accepting whatever circumstances are placed in front of you. Another important change happens in the way you think about spending. People who struggle financially often spend a great deal of energy worrying about small purchases because every dollar feels significant. They debate tiny expenses while larger financial decisions receive less attention. As your financial foundation grows, your focus naturally shifts. You begin paying more attention to the choices that have the greatest impact on your long-term wealth, such as increasing your income, improving your career, managing housing costs, and investing consistently. Instead of obsessing over minor savings, you start thinking strategically about building a stronger financial future. Perhaps the most important realization is that financial freedom is not a single destination. It is not a specific number that suddenly solves every problem. Rather, it is a gradual process that moves you from instability to security, from constant stress to greater peace of mind. Each milestone along the way provides a little more confidence, a little more flexibility, and a little more control over your life. Over time, these small improvements compound just like money itself. The people who build lasting wealth are not necessarily the ones who earn the most. Often, they are the ones who develop the habits, discipline, and patience required to create a strong foundation. They understand that every dollar saved today is more than just money, it is future freedom. As that foundation grows, so does their ability to make better decisions, seize opportunities, and create the life they truly want. In the end, the real value of reaching a meaningful savings milestone is not found in the number itself. The true value lies in the confidence, stability, and freedom that come with it. When money stops being a constant source of anxiety, you gain something far more valuable than wealth. You gain the ability to think bigger, plan further ahead, and design your life with intention. And that is the moment when everything truly begins to change.